Welcome back to the KBCC garage.
Nah, Robert, I have to disagree on that. But it would be cool. But it would definitely be cool. No, I usually don't get involved, but I have to agree.
There you go, Pablo.
Welcome back to the KBCC garage. I'm Mark Atwood. Now, as you guys know, we create our own movie cars here. And here beside me you see a 1966 Chevelle SS. And you might recognize them from a few years ago. When it comes to movies, a lot of times there's several cars that represent one star car in the film. Here we're working on a 1966 Chevelle that's going to be a stunt car. We're going to be filming a sequel to the movie we did a few years ago called The AssaSSin. This car will be doing all the stunt work, while the original will do all the nice close-up shots with the star of the movie. In case you're not familiar with the original AssaSSin, take a look at this. I really enjoy looking back on these past builds. What do you say, Frank? Robert?
No doubt about it. That's all work for me.
Speaking of work, I thought you were going to get to work and help us here.
Yeah, Mark, get to it.
Oh, sure. Well, I guess I better get back to work here. Thank you guys for tuning in to the KBCC Garage, liking, commenting, and subscribing. We'll see you next time.
Okay, Johnny Handsome, wrap it up.
Hold on, Frank.
Stay out of trouble!